Hi everyone, this is Chao with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic their current thoughts and feelings for you in the month of April 2021. Those of you who are romancing or maybe you're crushing on someone, I think you can have a look at this reading. We have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a guitar, and this is pile B, which is a star. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the guitar, certainly music is something which is going to stir you or stir this connection this month. Possibly the two of you could be listening to romantic numbers, or maybe you could pen some thoughts or some lines which could be quite romantic as well. Some of you could also be in the music profession, or you could be musically inclined as well. So this person and you could be sharing some songs, or perhaps you could be reminded of him or her on account of the songs that you listen to. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the Seven of Cups. Surely this person is gripped by nostalgia. Possibly he or she is thinking about this connection. You know, oftentimes this person could be reminiscing about the past. Maybe he shared some moments with you and he is reminded of them constantly. I'm also picking up that some of you may have had your chances with the opposite sex, but then you did not take them. So it's no point crying over spilled milk. Maybe there's a choice in love here as well for some of you. The next card in this reading is Death. In this month of April, I think this person is going to undergo some change of sorts. Maybe this connection is also going through some kind of changes which is affecting him. I think this person also needs to be more demonstrative, or maybe he thinks you need to be someone who should wear your heart on your sleeve. Maybe at times you could recoil in a shell. That is why he could be quite perplexed with respect to the connection. Perhaps the two of you need to be more romantically disposed this month. At times this person may also think that you have other admirers, so maybe with him it could be a dead end. Perhaps there are also some limitations in this connection. In case you're already romancing, I think you should not withhold yourselves. You should have more free-flowing conversations with this person. Your lover could also be thinking of surprising you. Maybe he's planning a trip with the two of you. Perhaps he wants you to join him on a weekend getaway. I think this relationship could also go through those ups and downs, which is a part and parcel of any relationship. So I think pile A, you should keep your ego aside, or both of you need to talk things out or thrash the issues that are bothering you or bothering this connection. In case yours is an on again, off again relationship, I think there's a fair chance that some of you may also hear from this person this month. Maybe he wants to reconnect, and this could be overwhelming to hear from him. We do have this card, Awakening. It's quite possible also that this connection has triggered an awakening in both of you. In case this person did not recognize the connection that he shares with you, then maybe this is going to awaken him this month of April. I think he will wake up to the power of this connection. They also desire love and compassion from you. Like I said, you should show more love and ardor. Definitely, they are praying for warmth and direction in this connection. They don't want you to be judgmental. Maybe there are expectations carried by you or by others. I think he desires sincere, unconditional love. He doesn't want those limitations in this relationship. He doesn't want to be weighed down by what others are talking or what others are saying. Incidentally, we do have this card, Black, which talks about lack, rebellion, and pessimism. Sometimes, in the month of April, this person could be feeling that something is lacking in this connection. Possibly the spirit of rebellion could also come about on account of these external boundaries or the limitations. Maybe there are societal limitations as well, or maybe family pressures also weighing this person down. I think for some of you it could also mean that this person could sink into depression or feel negative. We did have Death, which was the second card in your reading, and now we do have Black, which talks about lack. So possibly I think you should do some aura cleansing, or you need to protect this relationship from the negative forces that are around you. Whatever the limitations or whatever the obstacles that are there in this connection, I think this person also realizes that at the soul level, he cannot wish this connection away. Possibly, he wants to hold you in his arms and walk into the sunset like this couple here. Like I said, maybe he wants to whisk you away to a weekend getaway, or maybe you should enjoy quiet moments together on the beach. Even if the two of you are apart, I think this person has that desire to be with you, or the desire to hold you in his arms. Incidentally, the next card in this reading is I keep comparing others to you. Like I said at the beginning of this reading, we did have Seven of Cups, which talks about choices. So here in matters of the heart, this person could also be comparing you with others. Possibly the qualities that he sees in you aren't there in another person. Surely the qualities that he has found in you can't be found in any other person. In his eyes, you're somebody quite unique and irreplaceable. Moment we have the card Rider. In all likelihood, this month there could be an exchange of messages. This person also regards you as someone who has brought in a lot of changes in his life with your sudden appearance. He also knows that your attention span is quite little. Maybe there are other suitors that are vying for your attention. So you can quickly move away to another person this month. You're coming across as someone who's quite outgoing. Maybe you're interacting with other members of the opposite sex or your own sex. Basically, you have the ability to connect with all kinds of different people. Maybe he needs your wholehearted attention. That is why he could be a bit insecure and restless as well. Listening with your heart is another card that we have here. I think this person also needs to listen very intently, or he should trust the messages that he is receiving from his heart. Possibly the two of you are also connected on the fifth dimension. Even if physically there's no connection, I think there could be an awakening moment here. That is why I think we are connected to each other on the 5D world. This person could also be getting messages from his spirit guides with respect to this connection. Possibly he should listen with his heart rather than let the mind rule over. Another card in this reading is please don't take what happened personally. It's not you, it's me. In April, maybe there could be so situations or there could be disagreements with this person. So he does want you to understand that the problem is not you. Rather, the problem lies with him. Like I said, if there's a misunderstanding or if there's a distance creeping in this relationship, this person wants you to understand that it's not your fault. Rather, he is taking responsibility for it, even if he is not going to admit it. The last card in this reading is limitations, impediments, roadblock, outside influences. Like I said, I think there are going to be those limitations which the two of you need to maneuver this month. But then you should understand that this challenge is also something which is going to make this bond even more strong. This person wants you to understand that there are things which he can't control. Possibly these are outside influences which are affecting this relationship. All in all, this person wants you to understand what they are going through, even if it's not explicit. Perhaps Pile, this month you need to be careful with your words to avoid those lovers' tiffs. Then all will be well. I hope Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is the star, let's understand what are this person's current thoughts and feelings towards you in April 2021. Let's keep this aside. The first card in this reading is the Queen of Cups. Possibly this person finds you quite emotional, intuitive and creative in this month. Certainly he has deep affection for you or he admires you. I think the two of you are also going to exchange ideas. Maybe you will bounce ideas of each other. There could be discussions which could revolve around work as well. Definitely you will revel in the attention that is coming your way from this person. But you also know that there's no point stringing him along if you're disinterested. I think this person has definitely stirred deep feelings in you as well, even if you're not going to acknowledge Perhaps I think pile B, you should go with the flow rather than put limitations on yourself or this relationship. You're under the impression that family members may not be too kindly disposed towards this connection this April. Nevertheless, I think you have been a catalyst for a lot of changes in this person's life, and he cannot escape the same. He doesn't want you to put limitations on this relationship as well. But sometimes, you may choose to walk away from a connection. Those of you who are single, I think this could hold true for you. Possibly you may put limitations on yourself as well. We do have this card, Temperance. I think the universe is asking you to be patient with respect to this connection. Maybe there are delays when it comes to acknowledging your feelings as well in case you're single. But I think you should bide your time. Like I said, those of you who are single, you will definitely be flattered on account of the attention that is coming your way. But then you should not cross the line if you're disinclined or disinterested. Sometimes I think the two of you could be cyber stalking each other as well. In case you're in a third party situation, I think you should understand whether this relationship is going to go the distance. Possibly, your confidant or somebody around you who has your best interests at heart could ask you not to walk with blinders on. Incidentally, this relationship also needs cleansing, or it needs purging, which means that you need to remove the negative aspects of this relationship. You need to remove the impurities to bring in that purity in the connection. For a union to take place, this healing has to take place, or this cleansing has to take place. Certainly this person also sees this union with you. Possibly for some of you, your love life is also ascending. Maybe this person desires a level of commitment from you. For some of you, there could also be sexual intimacy in this relationship. Incidentally, we do have Rocket here, which talks about voyage. Like I said, your connection could be ascending, so it could be moving on a higher level, or it could be moving rapidly to another level as well. Perhaps it's rocketing at a very quick pace. Maybe there's a chance that there could be excess communication with this person this April, or maybe you also have travel plans. Either of you could also be making those travel plans this month. Possibly there's some kind of movement surrounding this relationship, or maybe either of you is moving about. Like I said, there could be sexual chemistry in this connection. Maybe this person is going weak in the knees when he's around you. The rocket is also a phallic symbol here. So that is why I think he wants to explore this relationship even further. Basically, he is desiring intimacy. In April, this person is also going to be quite clear. He will realize that he has love only for you. Basically, he has not thought about any other person. His thoughts are centered around you. Tulips also talks about love and ardor. So this person has an intense love for you. Now and then, this person could also be haunted on account of his past actions. Possibly he is ruing over past mistakes as well. Maybe he has said something which has affected you deeply, or he has done something which has affected this connection. What's been said cannot be undone. So this feeling of remorse and regret is there, which is making this person lose sleep as well. From Lenormand, we have the card Stork, which again talks about movement and change, and we did have Rocket, which talks about voyage. I think this relationship is also affected on account of a distance here. Possibly the two of you could be living in different places. I think this person could also be talking about moving to another place or settling down with you. Maybe he wants to move with you to a more hospitable place, because the stork is a bird which has to a warmer climate and it makes its nest there. We did have Rocket in this reading, so this is a positive change in your relationship. But even a positive change can sometimes be challenging. Possibly news is also coming in from another place for the two of you. From the Gateway Oracle deck, we have this card, Soaring into Joy. Oftentimes, you may be quite flirtatious and you could enjoy the light-hearted banter. Basically, this person wants you to celebrate and live life with happiness, with joy and gaiety. Maybe he is asking you to be more spontaneous and madcap. Definitely, when you are happy, you will be a delight to those around you. Remarkably, the last card in this reading is I need more time to figure things out. Possibly, this person also wants time with respect to this connection. He wants you to understand that he needs time alone to figure things out. There could be some issues which could bother him. So, this means you may be feeling as though you've been forsaken or that you've been left out in the cold. Though this connection is going to be filled with warmth and happiness, I think there will be those times when you may question this relationship, or this person could be feeling that he wants more time to figure things out with respect to the future of this connection this April. Perhaps that is why you have picked this star, which talks about guidance of some kind. I hope ILB you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.